Yeah, my name is Sriram. I'm an IT professional living in Hyderabad, Gachibowli. My wife Prashanti. We have a daughter, Sai Shriya. She's in 10th grade, and we have a beagle, Oscar, who keeps us very active on our toes. We were obviously had plans to get the elevator. Obviously, we wanted to be sure that we can get a trusted brand. We want to go through our network, and one of my friend who is actually in the construction business actually mentioned to me about elite elevators, and they said, let's please look them up and see if you can talk to them and get a quote, trusted brand. Safety is a very important consideration for us, so we went to pursue that, and we went and talked to Elite. We came to you, and then we got a good assessment. One of the considerations for us was that we didn't want to install it in the ground. It had to be at the level of the floor, which was there in the house, without too much of reconstruction, things like that, because we didn't have a structure to put the elevator in. It was a freestanding one. So with that assessment and also them coming out and measuring it, customizing it, it was great experience for us to go through the entire process and finally come to Elite and get the elevator. So that's very important consideration, as I mentioned to you. So one of the things we were always looking at is like, what are the in the event of something going wrong with like a power outage or anything, especially with elders or kids in the elevator, what are the safety mechanisms we had is something we actually also understood before we actually placed the order. And one of the things that came out clearly was that that there are sensors in the elevator that if you kind of put your hand there, it'll stop. When there's a power outage, it comes down gradually without too many jerky experiences. So those are things that we kind of also understood. Reading the spec is one thing, but after they installed it, there was a thorough inspection and a handover through which they also demonstrated. We felt right from the start to looking at the features, plus after the post installation, reviewing it with the handover process was very, very satisfactory. We felt very good, and so even our dog also sometimes goes by himself, goes up and down basically. So even he is comfortable.